Hello, I am Kanal Tatsara, Level 2 undergraduate of Department of Industrial Management, University of Kalni. For my design project, I am designing a web-based hotel management system for Jayananda Estate Villa. Mr. Upul Jayananda is the owner of hotel, which is situated in Radampal area in Mathura district. The hotel famous for day out plans and low budget events. Basically, they provide day out plans, reception hall facilities and room facilities. So let's move to the current process part.
Currently, they follow a fully manual system when a customer make an inquiry through a phone call and make clarifications. So that next they reserve dates as they wish. To confirm the reservation, customers have to visit the hotel, select items for menu and pay in advance. Management of the hotel issue an invoice after the event or the day out happen. Customer have the freedom to do payment within 1 week after the invoice is issued. Customers have to follow this process if they want to reserve a reception hall or for a day out plan. So, if a customer wants to book a room, they have to come and check the room and prices. So now let's move to the problem of that current process. According to what client said, he had to face many problems as they follow a manual process. As a major problem, he has identified that the hotel is not that much popular or recognized by people other than the Radampal area. And with the development of technology, most of the people don't like to visit a hotel for a purpose like reservation. They like to see some photos and videos first and then visit the hotel. In cases like that, management of the villa think that using only a manual system is very disadvantageous. And most of the times, receptionist has to answer for long questions of customers through phone calls, as it is the only way for customers to get details of villa. So through phone calls, customers can't get a good image about the location. At the same time, the management decides and give discount for customers are not aware about it. So they are negative point of the villa. And as another major issue is, as still they are using a manual system to record sales details. Owner said that sometimes some details are wrong. So in times like that, management has to face for many challenges. Okay, now let's move to the features of the my proposed system. Uh, to address for the problems maintained by Villa, I thought of designing a web-based hotel management system for Janandi State Villa. Main features of the proposed system is that customers may be able to reserve villa via online system without physically visiting the hotel. Another major feature is as the 360 view of surrounding of the villa. From that customer can see the surrounding of hotel by rotating the pictures available. As it feel like a live thing, customers can place orders with a satisfactory mind. Also, the proposed system facilitates customers with day out plans and reception hall packages that includes per head cost, the menu, and other services provided. So customers can decide the suitable package comparing with the services and the cost. So these are the features for the feasibility of the hotel's customers. The owner of the hotel will be facilitated with features of recording event details and customer details in a clear manner compared to manual recording of details. And also customers can get aware about the discounts easily through the web-based system. So owner will be able to attract more customers than before. So with the features of the proposed system, customers can get a full idea about the hotel without visiting the hotel. So receptionist will get rid from long phone calls. Next, in the proposed system, customers can give feedbacks and also see the reserved dates of the hotel in a calendar so that they can decide about reservation dates. Another feature is that the customer can check the invoice through the system and go ahead with the payment. So now let's move to the technology part I use. So these are the technologies that I hope to use for the development purpose. Okay, so finally, as customers of Fila can get details, photos and videos of the reception hall packages, layout plans, and rooms, the proposed web-based system will be an useful platform to increase their sales. Thank you.